Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much naked mole rat hands.
Ew.
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. I don't know, sorry. X out the video here, no harm, no foul, but I will remember our time fondly. Also, I'm doing the Macarena. We have a Look Fantastic box. A spooky one. Ooh. It's actually not spooky. This is the July beauty box, but it's thundering out. So that means that what's in the contents of this box is haunted. Viewer discretion is advised. That being said, let me tell you a little bit about Look Fantastic.
Once upon a time, Look Fantastic created this monthly beauty box. You can receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover the Look Fantastic beauty box today. Ooh.
Full disclosure, Look Fantastic sent this my way, so thank you very much, baby. So spooky. I love it. So monthly subscription is just $16. However, I do have a coupon code for y'all. If you do purchase through the link in the description box, you can get your first box for $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription. Or if you do not go through the description box below, please use the code Teresa. And again, you'll get your first box for $1 when you purchase a 12-month subscription. That said, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, this is cute. I don't know, the gods may feel differently about it, but I love these little bags though. Without even looking at what's in here, like fuck this, right? Whatever, who cares? The bag itself is actually really nice. It feels like a really good quality makeup bag. I like the fact that it's actually also see-through too, which makes it perfect for traveling. This is really fucking adorable. Anyway, so here you get a nice little makeup bag. I feel like this is probably the first time I've ever gotten something like this. You also get this
spooky magazine
called the Beauty Box Edit. And this essentially is just a magazine that tells you a little bit about the product, bloopity blop blop, some fun stuff about rapeseed oil, because you know that's fucking riveting. And it tells you a little bit about the bag and blah, 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 and cleansing and you know, whatever. Listen, I fell asleep already, but I'm gonna put this on the side because unfortunately, it doesn't show you the pricing of anything, which that's what I don't like about this box. I wish you can just see the pricing, but I'll just put it in the corner. Anyway, with that said, let's see what is in this
haunted see-through bag that we've already saw already. Ooh.
My favorite thing of all. What do we got here, boys? What do we got here? The first thing that's in this box, which is from Revlon. Oh shit, okay. Revlon, and this is a lipstick. Obviously, it looks like a lipstick, right? Smells like a lipstick. Oinks like a lipstick. Must be a fucking lipstick. Ooh, this is not the color for me. Yeah, this is kind of like a spiced red color. You know what? That's not that bad. It's actually better than I expected. Thought it was gonna be like a little bit darker, but actually it's not that dark. It looks like a pretty color. I think I might get some use out of that one. So this is a creamy lipstick that just adds a pop of natural color to your palette. That's literally what it says. Infused with liquid silk. Formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. I'll be the fucking judge of that. Okay, Revlon. Oh, where did the top go? Oh, oh shit. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. When lipsticks kind of like come in these kind of packaging, sometimes it's a pain in the ass to see what is what, right? So this is kind of nice that it has like a little clear top. So you can actually see what the color of the lipstick is. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, we'll give this bitch a whirl. The next thing is from Illamasqua, and this is a liquid highlighter in the shade, oh my God, OMG. Like this is the tiniest fucking thing possible. It actually gets lost in the tablecloth. It's Where's Waldo? Bitch, find it. I can't. Okay. Anywhoosies. Let's try this. I put a little bit too much on my hand and I think this is a way too dark for me, so this is not gonna work. But I'm kind of mad because the shit's fucking blinding, but it's just way too dark for my skin. That is literally bukkake. God damn. All right, you know what? I need to try this highlighter out, but in a color that's a little bit more appropriate for me. Holy shit. This looks like Terminator cum. I love it. I had to like wipe off some of the excess because I did a little bit too much, but it's really, really pretty. It's just, you know, too dark for my uncooked chicken ass, but that's okay. That's okay. We will pass it off to a friend. The next thing is from Starskin, and this is the VIP 7-second luxury all-day mask. A miracle 7-step skincare regimen in one handy pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. I have never heard of something like this before. What do you mean 7 seconds? That sounds too good to be fucking true. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for quick but effective skincare. Interesting. Okay. Apparently this is award-winning. Never fucking heard of it. I don't know. Maybe it's like a UK thing, because I think Look Fantastic's primarily UK. So, I don't know. My UK babes, let me know. Is this something that sounds vaguely familiar? Or maybe I've been living under a fucking rock. I don't know, but we're gonna try this bitch out. The next thing is from Elemis, and this is the Superfood I can't, it's so hard not to say aha. I don't know if it's like AHA or like the band AHA. I don't know. But anyway, Glow Cleansing Butter. Do you want dewy glowing skin? Who doesn't? This is, by the way, this is what it says in the fucking pamphlet. This Elemis priming moisturizer is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. Blended with nourishing ingredients, it will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer or primer as a natural base. That actually sounds pretty interesting. So we're gonna try that. Put it on this hand. Oh, okay. I didn't expect that color. I don't know what I was expecting. It smells nice. I think it smells nice. I don't really have the best sense of smell, so it could smell like toxic shit and I can't tell the difference, but I don't hate it though. I also really do like that I do have like a nice little glowy base, so I think I'm actually gonna try this as a primer. My skin lately, ever since I got back from Florida, it's been fucked up. It's like dry as shit. So I need more moisturizers and stuff like that. So I'm actually intrigued to try this one. The next thing is from the brand Grow Gorgeous, and this is, the hell is this? Defense? Anti-pollution leave-in spray. Okay. A protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Green tea extracts, sunflower extracts, vitamin B5, blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm gonna pass on this. I really don't care. Honestly, there's nothing sexy or fun about this, and I don't leave my fucking house. Unless I'm getting the pollution from the people underneath me that likes to smoke cigarettes in their bedroom, which by the way, they can go fuck themselves. Maybe I should use this? No, I think I'm gonna pass this on to my friend. Anyway, let me know down below if you've ever tried this brand. Curious, but not curious at the same time, so actually disregard that, nobody cares. And then last but certainly not least, we have this boy, which is from the brand Mine. This is a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. Joke's on you, I look like uncooked chicken. I don't know how to become a plump fryer, unless it's with a lot of bronzer. Anyway, with a lightweight formula, this instantly absorbed into a zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body, and it's perfect for a golden glow. Okay. You know what, for shirts, I was about to say shirts and giggles. Wow, okay, for shits and giggles. I don't know what I was expecting. Ooh, ew, ooh, I don't like the smell of that. First of all, this burns. Fuck, this burns. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay, number one, it burns, not good. Number two, I feel like if I had a lighter, my whole hand would go on fire. I wouldn't even need to flick my lighter, okay? That burns. Ooh, I don't like this. People like this? Well, who the fuck? Ooh. Okay, on the bright side, the smell dissipates. So that strong alcohol smell, or you know, like that drunk neighbor smell, like around the holidays, like that one neighbor that gets a little too close to you and you're like, buddy, back the fuck up. That's what it smells like. Just fucking rumplements. I don't like it. Too spicy. Not a fan of this. I fucking hate cucumber. I should have read this more. My bad. Cucumbers are stupid. I'm sorry if you love cucumbers, but you're wrong. They're stupid. Why the fuck would you want to smell like a garden salad? Fuck that. Garden salad with some alcohol in it. It's the best way I can describe it as. I don't know why I assumed that it would just like immediately tan my again. But this is a gradual tanner. So I don't think I want to see any results of this. And yeah, that was, I did not like that. That was not fun. Okay, that's pretty much it in this box. Let's see. First of all, love this. This is fucking showstopper right here. This is like a smaller version of the glossy box one that I got for, I think like, was it June or like their summer box or whoever, it doesn't fucking matter. Anyway, this is amazing. And if I keep getting Look Fantastic, I really hope they go this route because I will have a lot of use with these bags. This is fabulous on its own. The lipstick, I'm surprised by the color. I have tried Revlon lipsticks in the past. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this particular one, but never had an issue with drugstore lipstick, especially from Revlon. So this is just kind of a thing that I'm gonna throw in my bag. So I don't mind the color, I don't hate it. I like it. We love her. This is such a shame, the Illamasqua highlighter, because I really enjoyed the kind of Terminator semen formula. Like that was good, love that. I hated that the color is just a scotch too dark for me. So I think this might be cool as potentially maybe use like a glowy base for myself if I want to turn into like a really alien sex robot. But I think what I'm going to do is actually look at the brand's website and pick up the one that is more suited for uncooked chicken, and we'll go from there. But this was nice. This was actually pleasantly surprising. The Elemis Superfood Moisturizer, you know, I initially was just gonna write this off as another fucking Elemis product, but you know what? I really like the feel of it, and my hands still feel very, very slick and shiny, and we love that for me. So I'm a fan of this. This I'm kind of confused about, the 7-second luxury all day mask. Okay. I don't know, I kind of feel like it's a heavy claim, and also, I don't know, if you look at it upside down, she looks dead. So that's kind of a little alarming, but whatever, who cares? I'm gonna try this and I'll let you know if it's actually 7 seconds. I have a feeling it's not, but whatever. I'm gonna be happily optimistic about this one. We have this leave-in anti-pollution spray. I'm not even gonna bother to fucking try this, so bye. And this, hands down, has to be like terrible. So this was a no for me. This, I need to shoot this off into space so nobody even touches it, because the burn on my hand was not fun, and that's not cool. So if you have tried this brand before, let me know if it's just this particular scent, this garden salad scent, or if this is, you know, pretty much across the board with this brand. But anyway, you know, I don't hate it. Is it the best thing? No, absolutely not. But I love the bag. I like this stuff. Not a fan of these two things. I'm gonna try that one too. That's not bad. I feel like there has been some Look Fantastic boxes where I have literally given everything away. So it's nice to know that I have more than half the box. So I'm gonna be nice. It's July. We're halfway into summer. So I'm not that mad about it. I'm not that mad. And with that said, if you are interested in checking this subscription out, I do have a code, just to remind you again. Use the code Theresa to get your first box for $1. If you use the code or the link, I believe I do get a small kickback. So just a heads up there. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you get Look Fantastic. Also, let me know what other subscription boxes you would like for me to open. I really enjoy doing these videos because I just like being, you know, garbage and throwing stuff on a table. Listen, I have so much fun doing them. Anyway, with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, trashy, really trashy, smelling like a garden salad, garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do it without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just can't wait to gobble you all up. If you want to know what is not on my hands, because jokes on you, I'm not gonna put anything in the description box, I will only leave this information along with where to get my palette, my social media, my blah, 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 blah. All that will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little ham steaks later. Bye. I know. It doesn't feel good when I don't have pretty nails.